Suppose you or someone you know has finished a backyard vegetable garden. And now, you decide that a gardening gift is a fitting reward for all of the hard work that was devoted to complete the vegetable garden project. Most gardening gifts are small, inexpensive items like gloves, shovels, spading fork, hoe, compost, and soil testers, just to name a few. Instead of giving a tool as a gift, why not consider a garden decor item like unique handmade redwood vegetable garden stakes? Vegetable garden stakes make the perfect garden accessory as well as garden decor gift that any backyard vegetable gardener will truly appreciate. Moreover, they make great gardening collectibles. There is nothing more appealing than gazing at a cultivated vegetable garden where all the vegetables are identified with redwood stakes. It is not only eye-catching, it is sure to be a big hit. Keep in mind, the more unique and stunning the garden stakes are, the more they will be appreciated. Although metal garden stakes are somewhat popular, there is nothing more striking than a garden marked off with handmade redwood vegetable garden stakes. The redwood stakes should be made from two pieces, a redwood block and a replaceable round 1/4 inch birchwood dowel, used for the stake. The block is made from high-quality finished redwood and it is sanded to a smooth finish. The redwood block measures 1-3/8 inches wide x 4 inches long by 3/8 inches thick. A colorful image of the vegetable along with the vegetable name is transferred to the redwood block. The block is then treated with several layers of varnish to protect it from the sun and weather. For example, the block for the carrot garden stake has a beautiful image of a bunch of carrots, along with the vegetable name of carrots. The replaceable 1/4 inch round wood dowels are available at most home hardware centers and they usually come in lengths of 3 and 4 feet. This allows you to cut the dowels to the exact length that you want. The most popular lengths for the dowel stakes are between 12 and 18 inches. You can use a handheld pencil sharpener to slightly bevel the ends of the 1/4 inch dowel. The beveled ends make it much easier to insert the dowel into the redwood block and your garden. So, when you are looking to give a garden gift that will be treasured for years to come, consider giving unique handmade redwood vegetable garden stakes. These stakes are not only attractive, they will give the recipient many years of enjoyment when they gaze out over their garden.